Hi, I'm Brad Dixon with Dixon and Lassiter, Attorneys at Law, and today we're going to answer the question of why should I have a will? Well, first, let's address what happens if you don't have a will. If you don't have a will, then the law dictates who is the beneficiary of your estate. Generally speaking, folks are concerned, or they think, well, I have a spouse, so my spouse is just going to get everything anyway. Not true. Your spouse is entitled as an heir to get at least 1/3 of your estate, and your other children would inherit the remainder. Typically, it's equally divided, but the spouse can take no less than 1/3. Second, it's costly. Generally speaking, when you don't have a will, your administrator, that's the person who applies through the probate court to handle your estate, they have to pay a bond normally to the probate court. They have to file inventories with the court to show the court everything that's in your estate and everything that's owed by your estate. They have to file returns with the court to show exactly what they've done and account for every single penny in your estate. And that process can take a long time, months, years, oftentimes. So, what happens when I have a will? A will also has to go through the probate process, but the beauty of it is you get to decide who your assets go to rather than have the law dictate it for you. Second, you have the ability to waive certain things for your executor, which is the same thing as an administrator, but it's the person that you designate in your will to handle your estate. So, for example, you could state in your will that your executor doesn't have to pay a bond, that they don't have to file inventories, that they don't have to file reports. And that makes the probate process much more streamlined. It makes the entire process of administering the estate much faster and easier for your loved ones, and frankly, much cheaper. You can also do a number of other things in a will, such as designate how you would like your remains handled. You can designate guardians for your minor children. All things that you can do in a will that you can't do without a will. If you've got more questions about estate planning, wills, administration of estates, give us a call at 912-525-0555 or visit us at www.vdllawfirm.com. See you again soon.